Asetenamu. Asetenamu. Yasesan your mumu, ewa brabo dwumadie no so. Na ena koye ede di kan pa. Ewa fefoforo mfie pinu ene dunkunu yemu no. Ne ye kan se Onyankopɔn onhyira wo bibia no pɛi na so eguma no kasa so. Na de me na ye nhyira kase akura ne se Onyame wadom yen osofo pɔn mu pɔn ankasa anopɛi. Na we de anka wa wi a wo kɔ wo ba Adom FM anopɛ wa ye Adom FM fiti ahomachia besi sabri. Na ja yesi uhunu pani na otwe be no a ena ne nhira ne biye den eto wo so enti yasra ja papa pani ya papa ya sofu pani ya bishop ane yeso ma hira yen keke na ontoa na kwantu ene so ene enti atiefo mo be ka me ho ne ama ya papa Bishop Dr. Yaw Owusu ansa Paul no dem dia tansa me de Paul na tansa
de wanya aka
eye na me san kan foforo eye Bishop Dr. Paul Yaw Owusu ansa ye nyina ye wadwene mo pobi e de man free sabre akosi afie ye eno de ye nka eno ye ni mu kwa ne ni mu papa wa
many ages of beginning of the year, no, many ages pass papa. Many ages of home. But that's papa. Yami Shroud. Yami and Shroud, so Miss Me who and many ages and say, Monsieur, you may be brave free or home funnel, a dear baku party through. I'll be a man come, I won't say that. I miss you who I am a fair. And they say, Yami Beshra will be. Obesha ni panwa shrano and so na still ni pan bread no wase ahobrasia ya dia papa eya me fe wo ho eya me fe enu ntina ahobrasia honhom bia da wo mu ne impact bi ma me ka ho ansa na wako o dada
da bi mehia ne bebre o dada mehia ne bebre
o dada me gidi yes obeso bro ho ase wo ya ase wo ma me sua free mpanyifo a me hia wo mo bit say sofo panyina we free mo adano nansa me kono ba me hwese ne related to me upon the position me dibia ne giabia papa ya from Pon Manson Assemblies of God General Superintendent Methodist asofo mpanyifo hia wo mo a upon the umunim bia no na omutimi adwo awawa etu a na me hwea ambisa mo say me ya wan me ya wan a o se me kire me ho Yesu mpo ne nipa ba na ho ene wi ase ne mu aye hu se wo biebie pono se nipa betimi aba ho ne ye pe wadiwawu
oh papa assembly me ya
ya bedi na wu ya
Thanksgiving service papa no kwa assemblies ho for ho the Thanksgiving service no papa and the preacher ye no me yes
last month when in the program the whole week did I make devotion
street devotion
what they say no was and pass over
me woni bi me fa no
monetize why offense so
papa ayadom
Yesu aye wo ye
ayadom
Pentecost nyame aye wo ye
amen ayadom
aye wo ye
amen
obekoso so aye wo ye
amen
hallelujah
amen papa me da wase na no permetiefo nso tie wo nti omo gin hyira ni bi ansa na wako eni afutuo for 2019
vedase enhyira kase a me wanra nyame de to akoma so e ma me kenkan bibi free asomafo nyuma etia eye enan na ya chi Peter ena John ene yedo mo akowura kukum if you say no mabo Yesu dini ena empanyifo a ewo ho ne sa dinti no mabo Yesu dini ama wo bia wono ya wo no mfie aduanan onsori nante da no tia sori dan a ye frɛ ne fefe ano no wotimi asori anante wo mo bone ene wo ma de wo ye ne
ayasem
wo mabo Yesu dini ene ye chi wo mo ko share afiase na de me de wo mu ne se o kan free verse 4 and 5 no yes ye de wo ma to Acts chapter 4 men kan wo de Acts chapter 4 wo de me tie radio now yes na me so me sua
hey
na papa 00 I was say edi asemuni I listen to you every day.
Sir.
Every day there's no single day. Mini krom hakura be biam wo bia no me call internet so na metio.
Nyankopon hira papa.
Because who can near mapa. Who can sempa.
Oh.
Who be in the padrinim. E ma brabo.
Amen.
Oh wow. Ba ye ayeti ono yenim de yeka.
Awurade me da wase.
Say emrante no ba ho na the way I would no more cracky jokes no. It takes some kind of pain out from us.
Oh,
and let me share that one with you.
Me da say.
Enti se ne no America no me kanya me asem se no se na e wo mu se no mo da afiase de. Nanso so emrante no eso aba. They became fruitful while they were in prison. Their words became fruitful. Woman nsem eso aba. Let us say yen we are see no condition can cripple you.
The be
Asetenamu be anywhere also my a brewase. Omuda kukum die nanso mo so aba. Bible no say Peter numa semba kopema enipa empim num emema nko 5,000 came to the realization of the truth. Na numa semba ko. Yesu kono ujano esuafo 120. Onoso kasaye no ogwini just one day 5,000 men. Baby 5,000 men wono e ma dodo se ne be
wo ho e man pim.
Good. Eti yemma yenum asem nso aba.
Amen.
Ti 2019 ya hyemu no me shi obi enkran se wo be so aba.
Amen.
No condition can swallow you. Ese se wo so aba. Ewurade ma efie bia busue bia ankrenkren biara nsoaba. Ghana be soaba.
Amen.
Ghana economy be soaba. Ghana education health be bia be soaba. Na esoaba sa yentutu kwan kobre ye ho. Ghana ya yebedidi ha ne ano ha ne ye adwuma wa ha no mampanyini se ne ogigi businesses e ba no etimi ahyeta am obi anya bia ye onyame nhyira obi biara.
Amen.
Bedawase
Papa me da wase.
Yame nhyira.
Mama meni atetensuo.
Yame nhyira.
Mama meni atetensuo.
Yame nhyira.
Obe kan san kam nso me send me ne hwan ya.
Yame nhyira.
So fu pon mu pon se wo betie me na.
Unya ni paketwa.
Oh.
Yame nhyira. We are beautiful. You are fearfully wonderfully made. God bless you.
Amen, Papa.
Amen.
Amen.
On for ye.
Amen.
More buttery.
Amen.
On far boafo free north, south, east, and west. No more may were adoye.
Amen.
Running fanyans a phone chow winshia.
Amen.
Or ye and Majin Kwa Yesu Christ on fanyans a four in chow winshia.
Amen.
And we Yesu Christ demo. Amen.
Once
I just me.
Okwametia eyema Monica. And I'm crying.
Say one papa mu invite me. Medase.
Na wo twa makoni wa ba dom a wo kode ne ma wo nko.
Medase.
Na nenso yesofu pani ba ko so wo ha.
Hallelujah.
Also o twan o ani wo twa wani abon so wo ho so pon sa out wo. Aye. Ene ya ye nhira o. Ene ya ye nhira etiefo ene ye first day of the year 2019 January 2019 ya ye nhira papa ye papa ye Apostle Oforiata Francis FM Mr. Oforiata Amwakwata Francis Amwakwata wo ha ane Francis Amwakwata watena se ane Parliament Chapel wono epen mu kwankyerefo woda no ye papa Bishop Okọ ye papa Francis Amwakwata so bad ya na chese ne ya ye nhira wonyankopon na agba modin ahyehye se ne de ye be ye nhira eno nti wa wutie ya Asetenamu wa wutie ya Asetenamu dwuma de se me kyerɛ mu wa wutie me na fiti ne adekɔ ya Asetenamu edwumadie enye abrabɔ bio enti sakra ye bebre ena aba ya Asetenamu eno nti no wo de akoso na tie na be wo hyehyeye ene nneoma foforo de agu akwan mu ede ma 2019 fa ya Asetenamu edwumadie Asempa 94.7 ye de bebre mu ya papa Amwakwata aye krado waye krado ane papa wo ha na me se enne ya ye nhira eno nti me twa me ho na maba me twa me ho na mbapɛ ya beka sabio no na osofo pani Francis Amwakwata woda Parliament Chapel ano woni yen esi enkonya na afifu frame no ya bedi nkoma ya de beko yedie mu ewo eye 2019 emu hey papa ni papa bia di papa tena me hu nanyi mo mic na de no ma papa tena na me hu nanyi mo yi that's it papa appreciate pa
I feel God to have for my effect.
Oh papa that say Adom Adom na na de ma ye me nyina na yetiefo nyina ye nhira kasa say ye benya nyame nipa no makase sei say mo beba and the first day of the month and of the year mo beba be shira papa nyame on shira wate and ye da senso ye me say we television program achepa and wate wo ka mu na watina ka mu na watwen ya enti no so ye da wase wo ho say yakopon onkoso na onyo kese na we di answer na betwa mo mi say ya na ya won kire wo ho
no for the ni be kire no ma gide
oh be wa won ti me kura men wo mu
hu just she keke ani ehunahuna oh hwe Assemblies of Software ya kunu nani from January ni members na wo
no na wo
30th ade chi 31st wo yifunu nti bebiri be yade na ni page den
but mo nuan ma sofo ni be wo a che say
wo ignorance and selfishness na no so ka hu bi na ma nkwadaa no ahu se ya man kwada no kwan ma wo ma men ye no man sua bibia obepem a abekwa akwaji aduru
anokware
because wo nya ready so ombe sua hwe eno na ya e kan ho no kom kwada ni ne nam sa now adu ba bia you can breed them so much well because purpose no so kodu ba bia amon pese obi abeben wo
obi abeben
sika obetua ni ade na che sa asifim
enti sa na asofo nketo no mo de memene mfe na wakope bibi ono so be na ye powerful na fe nyame na nkasa anka okura no ye de sinche no de adekon na ye adwuma
chese adekon na di odi ye adwuma because onye ready so afi de obeshi obi ase se tema obere no o ama obi ya
anokware
enti na chese aye autonomous obi ya na ebo ne bra obia na ebo ne bra nti se ne obedani kwaku obedani wowo obedani pete no a o nso obia ase
we are saying some doors and now what bay papa yesi afufufuro mu em se enkomo bebre wo ho ne pese ni wudi ye di kan ye behwe eye awarefo anampo no ba ne be ma wote bia na wo motwema nso ntokwa bi da wontam watwea di firafi mu so wote fie ba ko ne wo ma amma fufufuro ya ba nhwa wo san de ewura fufufuro ye bedi hu nkomo na fesu ya ba behwe se ne ye kan sofo eduru bronya edru 31st of the last day of the month December na and na wote nkomo hia hodo bebrebe na de me ya ne se ya na dodo na so ehu
aba
enti no enkom hye na gude mu na ewo mu ano makoyi dia ba na menti ase enti ebehwe se enti a asofo no bi yesa na nka bia enkom hye 31st no kwa na awrade ebie wo mu ni mom hu sa nyoma na chese ehon so menti ase enti ebedi no so enkom
akoye marketing strategy serbe nipa ba ana nipa so suma ye wo hene
nipa suma ye de
enti ese enkom hye no aye for sale nti u ba no aba beti bia na okọ afiso ani asan repeat etinyame enu 31st ontime nkasa
enu 31st etinyame ontime nkasa na papa kwashi ye be
gana nyame 31st ngwanda okasa
chase me medwe ho amenti ase
commission 70 maku 60 65 50 chese
into the data in the course of the year ni nyina sa 70 ni 60 nyina ntime enyi bia nkeka just 31st penny be kan
Ahmed
papa nti efutu ben pa na wode ma asofo a unuanom enkuma no bia wo yesa no
a cheap popularity very very cheap and then eso mu jai na ohun se ye wonyema nkitinkiti bi wa abrabo mu a edofo the most difficult project since Onipashi has a reconstruction of human mind. Now, problem says remember and it's a nipa 75% and for my journey and yajuma. So-called religious people. Oh yeah, I'm for my journey yajuma.
So for one mama no may be a big country. Was 75% of Christians
and for my
fire doing yajuma.
It's
a dear in Amana Basa.
It's a bit more room. The difference between customs and tradition. I'm sorry, I didn't know. People are follow custom. Custom came from the word customers. And we are them commission per customers. And
I won't be a purple fever.
Oh, yeah. Now they are using instead of the culture of the kingdom. Now they are using the custom of the kingdom. Yeah,
to draw
customers.
Wow. With my membrane.
Asempa FM.
No, be a Asempa na papa kan.
Asempa FM.
Yes, so serious.
Dear Bia, emu eshi. Osha Ghana ha papa. As a Christopher, your Dawson pa. And
I'm so among can occur. I'm not to me rely on. Sir, because they are so lazy. The most laziest people we are saying religious people.
Wow.
Oh yeah. When him say billionaires enter resolution, billionaires actually ideas, plans. They think big.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
It's Ghana for no papa sha. Send your work and your problem.
And Uncle President be a chamber to make Ghana for short memory because Christopher near Dawson. Now you didn't sentino. Yeah. Send your boy and brother. Send your boy and brother. You can say Bobby Nipabin Guachia. From Brunei, Bob to Obisian, wouldn't you? Why pass? Forgetting say yes na ye dinach no okọ obi poso ba akopẹ wa anko hobi wa anye 40 days bio and okọ no a wo be waje enkwa no o ye just 140 days fasting wa o Bible na se
na we dey say papa obi to obeka say o person just fasting ye
dabi yes na fasting na ye from ochina me ma so ye 30 days na ye na maka chom say beba ye be ye mpaba from die be sia Ebesia every Tuesday and Friday. The akabi achire na fa kwa adwuma. Ye hia so a 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Ya pa obekwa adwuma.
Obekwa adwuma.
Obekwa e wo se wo de wadwene dawtire no. Awurade nyankobo. Makrofie ye obi adwene na obi tie wo ye Holland, obi tie wo Italy. Obi adwene na ye ka sem. Mpa bebe ba ya bone. Ya adwene ye de be ye adwuma he na wo.
Wo he ni abompa ya gba ya kwa
the most poorest people are the prayer warriors. For how long? And young person you be used ya dwene
na aso for na more brainwashing with the doctrine and can the Bible no man na 70 ase aso for na na so de dam so e wo yen ayedi mu achi no.
I'm say Bible say go unto every nation, every society, every community whose leader, whose king is a youth. 1 year nipokuo bia omo leader no odwene san akwada enkwada adwene woni mu.
Eno sa na enye age.
Enye age.
Adwene no sa na wo dwen fa.
Oh, Bible say the as a man thinketh, so he is. Adwene wo so for na odi ate aso nitim. Na me weka obi ani ada and dent na aso na buso. Obi anya ready so obetena ase atwen. Obi anya ready for that. In the school of life, yewura afuwe mu no. I was say obi timi gitum say do wa bompaye. Or expectation mpaye no enya adwuma ene. Onim say onyame God is a God of process.
Yes.
Now, God prepared Moses 80 years for just 40 years assignment.
Double the years.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
Young for Moses in 20. Oh, Jesus Christ, our yenyame. Or yenyame ba. Ne papa, I prepared 30 years for only 3.5 years assignment.
kyerɛ me die ntia wo so pɛte o je sofo a 3 months wo so akɔ Bible school awie adwene bɛ na da otrim etino so Bible no ba bia na odinam na otomako o kya otojeni ade kya otonku ade kya otonsemuna ade kya otonsu kyese niam tonton sa
yesu hu ye mobo 2019 etiefo mama ye fase ne papa kan ye yusu ya dwen e won niam bi
I will say yusu ya dwen won niam bi ho medofo etini no Paul say mama he fana the word crossover free by crossover every Mark chapter 4 verse 35 Bible say na eduro nwumere no Yesu ka chene suafo say let's cross over to the other side leaving the crowd behind. Let's cross over to the other side. And there was another boat. Now a bar said a strochino a bayano. Bible said a strochino bubo ebegu koduana yesu no. The other boat on yantu amonka. It means there was a sinking boat and there was a filling boat.
Yes.
It ye cross over and now ye kono. On the way going, said that a strochino bubo begu boat no more. As long as we have Christ in the boat, we will not sink.
We can smile at the storms.
We can smile at the storms. And I was so in the Bible said yes kono and wa first he took a pillow. A pillow is a soft material that support your head. And yes who say all cross over no, he took a support system. Baby, you didn't tibeto. I didn't yankopo. Hina utiwa no wenya adwenempa. Wonim say in the school of life.
Papa, you too much.
In the school of life. Enyema mienu miensa bi to a na wadwene enya adwuma. Time bia when you become too tired, your brain stop work. And inside your brain is the mind, and inside your mind is your belief system.
It's your what system?
Belief system. Yeah, inside your brain. Anytime be our brain, na u brain a stop adwuma ye. Na beka wo heart. Then what be emotional? Entina omo da amanfo no. They just excite the people's emotion. With some of them fake psychologically. Hey. When you are too tired, your brain stop work. Entina nyame force nipa se nipa home. Entina nyame e de Sabbath by upompo be home. Said be ya wadwene betumi a record.
Ya na tie se me ditra, me producer, me say so clue. Se me brepa na bibi no pese me kan ana me kan say ya me kan kura me ntia se because madwin mu sa madwin abre entima me home.
Very good. When you're too tired, your brain stop work. When you're too hungry, come to baby bar, your brain stop work. Yeah, and no thing is so baby bar, don't take a decision. You be bar, catch and say hold on. Train. Decision be take be wrong. Because you are too tired. You be take a decision out of emotion. Yeah. And I come to baby bar, no I gonna stop. And no we is so. Ofri wouldn't be na come de no we take a decision be our beton. Because your brain is not working. It's why Jacob Powofie no, he was not tired. 2, he was not hungry. Come on, no. And to me did not drink a BT in Yana. 3, when you are too much in love, your brain stop work. Was it? Mr. Producer, love. When you are too much in love, your brain start to stop work. Nothing. I beg our heart, emotion. And the Bible says, "Well, come as to me, I died out." And nothing to do. No, Papa, I can't say, "Kuya." Bema ya uko ushi ani on shada mi shada huni that jai when the brain no gonna start here. I stop. The brain is no more working.
Okay.
The brain is not working. Oh yeah, when you're too much in love, your brain stop working.
Hey.
Yeah, and nothing normal people don't serve God. Anytime you use your heart, you when you're normal. Because and not obviously dear do baby to me some because wabe too yeah. And nothing obi timia onyame a person tembia so dey no pa wo kenkan Bible and say wapi. Anytime you engage your mind, your motion shut down.
When the mind is working, the emotions
shut down. When the motion is working, the mind shut down.
And so no wait me take a decision because what the come on.
Sir, enunti na awade fo wura dem a there should be quiet. I say that no. Say be motion no e betumi. Yeah, at that time. Dabi enti say that here. Adwendwen to be ma so pe ne power go off. The motion has shut down. Oh yeah. The motion has shut down.
Etie for your papa Francis, Apostle Francis Amwako ata penimu kwanchefo oda Parliament Chapel ano ena no pay ye ne di nkomo na che say ye nhira say eneda edi kan wa fifoforo yi mu yenya your papa ne ne si nkonya na ne nimu de na awurade de adom no no opone bi edi mayen. Say wo hwa aware akwa.
Ma kan de toso nan, ma kan de edi kan. Ma kan de toso nan. Ubufu bebre ba, wadwene ye adwuma.
Ai.
Ntina anytime bia minister we are who asem bia ba minister bia person adwene ye adwuma no, he will not react, he will respond. Obeka je say ma metam. Ko hu ade na obuafu asem bia beka no.
Ebeko against you.
Ebeko against you. Minister yi, ye nim say no.
Ai, we dey ho ya.
But because you refuse to respond, you react out of your emotion. We are too emotional. Why do not stop?
I can imagine.
Oh yeah, no, I can't feel and go. So no, to ne boasia.
Okwo wie no kwotena ba bi din a efena na adwe ne bayi.
Na adwe ne bayi adwuma. Afefena o so nya sanam kan o ma jema no asibo ne sa na aka you react out of your emotion.
Hey, yatie for. And ya ye nhira papa.
Oh yeah. Yeah, me dofo. Serious. And you would have him no. Ade bi wa me pese asuafo atiefo esua me dofo. Said the be ya e ma ye problem emma obi o say me ka no. O pese ne ya ne 31st ade chi ne first empire bi a boy no onyame eye. De ntia asofo no bi aya atrofo and say they don't understand sad way. In the school of life, there are things you are not responsible. It is our wonderful bit in the school of life. Don't take things too emotional. There are things you are not responsible. Don't take it personal. You forget it. Now you're free. So for baby, I say for social come. Nyame asem yeseka Yesu se munko wiase na na mon kire wankasa munko hye nkom enti die ndia ene bebrebe
na papa obi nso beka se enkom hye awieye bremu eno na awrade nam so ede ye n'adwuma aye no kware
e kan ho bi but Bible say the foundation of the church was built upon the office of the apostles,
yes,
and the prophet. So the apostolic office was first before the prophet. In the Old Testament, it was the prophet. But you enter New Testament, no, and Yesu, Adom the Bible, or the apostles, no, said they can understand the word and the mind of God. Now the fool said there is a word behind every word in the Bible. Bible no one. Assembly on assembly for us actually.
Sir,
me come to the one.
When I said this, yes, or Casa in parables. When you perceive you be in the free.
And in the school of life, there are questions in life you can never answer. If you do baby, don't force yourself. Come baby and because baby I want to ask you. You want to ask anything. You have to carry Jesus along. Leave it in the hands of God.
Yes. Yeah, higher who
Holy Spirit is our teacher. He is our comforter and he is our helper. Leave it in his hand and just rest. Simple.
Wow.
Don't take things too personal because there are things in life you are not responsible. So just Jenny baby, you are not responsible. So when you are not responsible. You are doing your best. And today, now, I say, "Oh, my dear, my sister, we tell him now, Fedia, ye got on Puanuna, ye Fedia, you are not responsible. So, don't take it too personal. When you met time, so I send one you yammed off.
Nasa, be a papa. Wo ababa wana na branch na we used to boni bintema wa de mba wa kwama na no so de.
Eno so ho. Am de ba no. Eno so ho. Enu ntina se enu na ese ubi question bi, ubi sa ho questions na the word resurrection. Bruni ekira say a promise to yourself to do something good or to stop something bad. That is the resurrection. But me nkira asem no, nya sa na te. Anything means go back.
Papa can be
yes. Anything go back, repent, go back to the top.
Anything
means go back. Repent, go back to the word repent. Yeah, return, go back. I'm the empire. And resurrection means remind. Resurrection year, go back to the year from last year January. And solution be aware, go back for the solution. Sit down, analyze things, and son and your what to me answer.
Asempa FM.
And yes, I see the hour to because until you settle your past, you can never move forward.
Dear baby, I will come back where you and then say, a nipa, a higher home, I want your maybe home, yet it's near high. Your fans will be a granite. Oh, say, Asempa were taking a person now. Who are you responsible, Daddy? Never be an answer, Jemma, never be an answer. You'll be to him cry away the mere or send them the political say for the why would you take so things, everything personal? There be no wakuma, there be no wakuma, there be no mojina, so there be no pressure. There are things in life you are not responsible. There are questions in life you can never answer. There are things in life you have no control over it. Simple. Now we live life.
Now when I offer me, Daddy, when I bought me, Daddy, when Jimmy Minister, now I am not forcing you. Daddy, and not a woman, master.
Where the American summer chumwana, American summer chum, and I'll pay and your fro fit bay and son in it. Yeah, and I know a bedi jumano. Ya know bedi jumano. Na anope wo ba ye ba pe wo so ansa ono ba Adom FM tie hu so wo kwa na yesi da bi yentwe ne metena asena ono so mehira ye tiefo wonum say ye sofo bi a anka ono ya frɛ ne na ansa ne ya oba ye asofo wo nsi uso ansa betena ase ansa no abai enka oba ye ne bu afu
kwanya problem
adentia
ye manipa nyansa ye kire nipa ade wonim say medofo yi onyame amfa school ama government.
Asempa FM.
Until a year Africa, schools are not for government. Oh yeah. Who caught Barbara throughout Barbara, baby Bacope and a Barbrum, Nebuchadnezzar, a cofania member, so Monco school. Cofa Daniel and Kahum. Niakanino, when Yami expected say, it was a sorrow and the tea school. Now, when them say first now, school, mission. Look at the discipline. Not Ramadan and Namanyama Funi, because there is total discipline in the school.
Because it has been back, I saw it in the tire tree.
Yes, last statement go out into all nations, just
spread the word,
spread and teach them. Chile nipano.
And not just say, Yamia Quano near Fiso, and now so said, just as any ye came. Yet Mundo Dwana near Quas, solidity, so if you see a brabo, and ye be a bit to me. Well, because you nipa bet you ye. If you don't teach them, don't blame them. If you don't teach them, don't blame them. Because anything you don't know cannot work for you. And when you are not informed, you'll be deformed.
when you are not updated, you will be outdated. But do you know, sir, it was easy for God to deliver the people from Egypt, but God failed to deliver Egypt from them. Then he has to kill them.
Papa, how can be deep?
Very deep. It was so easy for God to deliver the people from Egypt, but God failed to deliver the Egypt from the people. So he had to kill them. Promise and man trouble.
And a revelation.
Seriously. Will be 1st January in the beginning. God. Obi oti bia basa sorry 5 minutes 10 minutes no be would send them. E hono okọ bompai. O sim dem akọ se nyame sa. Na bonsa. Just 5 minutes. Yeah. Till next year. What prayer is the only kitchen where miracles are cooked. Prayer is the only womb, supernatural womb, where destinies are born. And to go 5 minutes, don't share with Anissa. We are got to with this question. Whom are you bringing? And some fine sanitary say there are 7 things God never promised. Into what resolution or resolution. It do be number more. Yes, sir. God never promised you that.
I'll be in your way.
And then I'm for you.
But your hammer pie, my person, we are. Your bobo and so best uncle Subunia can want some. Oh, yeah, Tina, ya titty, your Maya who unnecessary pressure. Near Maya who how near drink, near ya. And so your men one your mistake when you in your way. She said, I'm working. Maybe I want to day. I would acquaint. But you'll be free. You'll be an into Obi 2 months and patron and years of no. So inside. As no one could do them secretary say, one who will get in an. Oh, who's a mere? Oh, I'm you should have. Yeah, you yes, and necessary pressure. One competition. And then I yeah, who are when ya. No, ya demand. Okay, don't envy me. I will not envy you. Obianya ni obetumi. Yesu kura na no Yesu call the poor best side. Any padome go ni papa akope no nante kosa ne ade. No ja ho papa. Okwansi wobiem. Wa ma so be say ade. Ade try. Wan so mu nyina ade. Obe han kam chia. So what is your prayer? Hey. There are questions in life you cannot explain. Forget it. 7 things God never promised. God never promised anybody problem free. 80 say what resolution, say what resolution. When you then a few years you have a problem. And into John chapter 16 verse 33. When you say we are suing, who be yamo. Wakato into who yawa. And yes said you ever can now. Oh, nana, who was fana. Yes, say wafa. Debbie, God never promised anybody a problem free in every year. Problems with your Abba, Banyamio Nimma, Onyaminima, Mo. When are you Christian? Wow. Onyaminima. God never promised anybody temptation free. 80, say what restoration, say what restoration. When you I would rather so any church away. When you church away. One of you will be one your foul, who will be fair. And there will be 24-hour temptation. Until I know yes, as well for lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Asetenamu, I would say Asetenamu. Where I sit Asetenamu. Nature say Asetenamu. Ejumedie, and ya brabobio, Asetenamu ejumedie. And I yet a ben. Na Asetenamu na say yams of penny a year papa Apostle Francis Amwako ata. Parliament Chapel, penny pa, quanchira for our down, no church. I will cassa for Casama, Parliament Chapel, New Year singing, Papa. Yami Oshira, what's it? Say, and the first day of the year, no yenya, a dream which say. And so be being God never promised that, but He's there to help, He's there to do anything. And none of Paul say, so he'll be anywhere to more. Na bia to obi pen nti atoa bia to obi pen na mum so hwe no there is a hole kwan da ho wo betumi afirim nti what to so hwe ma na nam ko 31st ade achi hwe ne ato me e bia to obi pen e bi ni say sofo mu 31st wo hwe fridge eno so oh there are things in life you are not responsible
There are things in life you cannot explain. There are things in life you cannot control.
Oh. Papa, how come I come to me and what?
You live a free problem free life.
Say you adapt society. Come what may.
Oh.
Come what may.
Oh, whatever man has done, man can do.
Exactly.
Me say whatever man has done, man can do.
Oh yeah,
God never promised anybody problem free. God never promised anybody temptation free. God never promised anybody harsh free. And then because some na fe dia me ho dabi onyame promises ho nyanya dia dabi an kai baby yasa. It is not biblical in the Bible.
And to chire wa ye normal Asetenamu nsam ni bia
na no Yesu ankasa call the month of transfiguration oko sesan ye onani mi fita won sesan da Moses da Elijah da ofiri ho si ye oduru Capernaum omukwa na 1 cedi ne bag him 1 cedi Yesu ni bi Matthew chapter 17 verse 1 to 27 kapreba oni bi Yesu na di ka dwane ye Messi Yesu who say lempo for ba lempo want me antua odwane ye na mkota ki Peter
you the first person I want me dia wo
lad be water be oba school fees and na urade na medi wachi and school fees ni ade. God never promised anybody has free o be kire ahon kire ne bemba enti and first pa oba kam otisam obi so bi ni botom
enya wonkwa
wodi akora de wo so de won sam ye no timienu obi ano achia obi nsam ye mpagyae ko hwe nipa om go hospital om ye bibi enye yie onokora hope. What are you worry yourself for?
And I do kind ebi akora ye twa no to
onokora onompo
onu se nso togu no so a
me se ne wo bono mpaye no wa asase we so se omre osika wa koso wa nya sika no ono ha na ka prenkura no nti Peter do was Peter de na wo se na Peter adwena asai odu open Yesu Peter na de na wo dwene yeah I feel the psychological because Peter adwala nti o mo firi wa verse 19 na Peter city Yesu dan no say urade me ya panyini che wo ya jan ye manyina abedi wachi na no hwenu ngase ya kan nti die be na ebenya ne de mbe
yeah bena menya
Peter say chem nye menya na mabere
oh
die be na menya Yesu ye no
internet esa ho kire wo
ho ni ye bon mpae no ne ho akire ne pen amwa adwane mo adoje enti nya wonkwa na yakafo ba ya wo kan che obi si nka se wuni ho nya wonkwa na ye frɛ ofu that time frɛ Yesu fo anko wa anva on free because awa ye Elijah ne ye Moses ye ne ho adi acha ne no anko fesilam proof on say ma me free because na me ba yo
me nya me ba no na
me nya me ba that time wo tutu demon otumi tutu di ma wati wantumi antu ya dampo also balance nipa no no dwane ko fie ma Peter koto no Peter tumnika kopum ewukwa di kantu ya me de wa asem okan di kantu ya me de ya me yede me ye kan Asetenamu asem
papa we etefo apostle wa hu oye too much
ye kan Asetenamu asem akire wo ye kan Asetenamu asem akire obi said ye beya onipa no enha ne ho afiwe ede ne ho beto awurade so now Yesu ni wa moko crossover no na Yesu nim say asoroche ne bebo na ofa ne tumye now Bible say asoroche bubu begu asawnum ba ada boat no esenke ye obi boat asenke last year banks whole banks esenke ye what ho wo ko ba nti problem ne sen
wo ya ma ya dwemu ya yen ha wo sa ya ma bi hu sen ya ebe yi wo ha wo ya dwendwe na firi so tambia no bo wa yekusu just wa
25 hours when you be nya visa 25 hours you be yesay 25 hours you be yesay 25 hours you be yesay bra me be ma lotto number na fe mrante ese so mko yadwuma na koguo no ma ha wani obi a lotto number the word lack in the Bible we walk by faith we don't walk by lotto number we walk by faith we live by faith just shall live by faith
amen
and until nyame make sure said the word lack in the Bible so the be idea ngidie na be adwuma na ya adwuma se mami obi tie me na ye Kristo ni am person oti ase se Bible no ekuta ye no the Bible is the book of business. Who tie me a me say the Bible is the book of the business. And nothing that years so at the age of 12, the first public statement, I must be in my father's business. That be in your house. Original, no? Original, no? Your business.
It's papa business.
Papa business no be so. And no be here.
Carpentry no na.
Dabi.
Ah, ne papa
oh yeah, say carpenter no ko hwe no. Carpenter no ko hwe no na okoto no. No say, "Where? I must be in my father's business." No just okay. And the career training for the business.
Hey. Where they are sitting
when him say bank bi agu na bank bi agu ye ba ko na manager na ne secretary members na ba ko nti omo ofame koto dan man nti mi ko he dan am ka che ko kan che boss bank we ebegu mo so ada wo ka asem bi aka be na me say yes because o ma dwuni so why will you
dan konkro
I think na koto wa manfo sika ye dia begu ha ntaku ni nsempo na wasesa sika nyina e dia be si akodi bi ato dan ma wo akwada keto we because o pe wa mia wunti aburo nti na wato dan we ama amanfo sika na o dia ato dan bi ama amanfo sika nti o pe so mia nti wa so abeto dan ma ene ye de aka asi estate ne samba ye install estate na sika na sa loke se sika na loke no hwe me am se nya bon sambia what you say? Enya bon sambia me dofo.
Hey, ya dwen ya nyusunti.
Ya dwen ya nyusunti.
Ena papa, yen hwa de o. Eya yetimi ka say, Nyakopon na kwan eya chewachew, ne kwan so doso.
Yeah.
Obi wo ho a ebia na oye adwuma bi na adwuma na gu. Obi wo ho a na ebia wapeye funa wonya, na nyame ya ne dom no wawo enso na koda na free mu. Obi wo hyiehia nsem a eja. Na se ne kan se nyame onye mistake. Ebia na auto sa pronomu no na obie epon foforo but eye nipa yentimi enya sa eye me hu se ne men kan gidie ne fa so so ewrade ade a wo yo no nim de wo ye na yenya ye ho atete ne wo hawo no
enne ade bi afiri nyame bia no 1 eye prophetic, 2 eye geographic, 3 ebe go through seasons. 1 supposed to be prophetic, 2 have to be geographical, 3 have to process seasons. And nearly can we go to the season of warfare, the season of affliction, the season of suffering, the season of disloyalty, the season of loneliness. And yes, we started on share baby for 40 days and 49. No. Or bad he was rejected. That is the season.
Also, banning the money, the 1 year.
And so any Jinan come you know can you more.
Let's say you mistake.
Don't you be that. You will go through seasons. Young thing you may be at. And nothing I may say, you are not responsible for that. No be here, mammy, a jaw pressure out the Maubano. Now, what you buy, what you leave your daughter alone. She is not responsible. No down. Na nyame birim no obehye no wan yo.
Obehye no wan yo.
Oh, ya me dofo.
So no so betina kronkron tetena.
Aba. Ogbo anu ani die mbo no ani die an. Ya hayo mododo. In the name of the pressure. Asa wo bo ya bi. Awon se wo ko Europe a. Me ko Dubai me ni timi jikeke. Obi anfo obi an. Obi an o ka wa honhora enfo obi an. Bi enfo bia wo ko Israel fo mo horo ka enso Ghana na re wa ma no ka hwan wonam fem na o ka obi kara o de kwa ho ayefi e fa ho ben
ya what problem wo man
awurade Nyankopon ya nwene ya ho da Ghana fo gwabuche ensekuro wa kwa wo gare mere wa wo bo ensekuro abrewa na wote wono aban hwe no wa wo ba ensekuro na wudi mo mu twom ho 19 obenya jese otifun so bedi nipa ho sekuro saa wa burutima
free calls no the this
ni twa ni oya twawe kwa so dem konkonsan ko a no mo dia ba fie mi wa wo ya ba abere wa buruchire ho wontumi mai ade na wo nyire ho
na wo sere urade mani bia mo kwan to bia
no ja no ko ye no wase ni danti na wo tia we mu saa mere ya we wa shentade be ten na are to no what if so na udi insecure what is your problem what is your problem
Yesu baya na papa ana cheche no I mean who said me
before obi ni mgwase ye dedodo we don't think about ourselves we don't concern about ourselves.
And they be crying on no child nanti on yard yen or yet chen wo yen.
No. Says about him. Adwuma no onye. Wo ya obeka ho asem. Ye di free fie akọ politicism. Ye di free politicism ne abanyame fie. Ye di free nyame fie akọ aburukyire. Ene ye dey boy embarasa. Sa ye dey boy embarasa. E ba bia bibifo ti bia problem e ho. Omuti fin, omuti nema basem, enso konkonsen nko.
Papa sma wo ke de no kram no ya adwena na me ti ho de but London bia ye bi. Me pese me body no. Me pese me body.
Me ko Germany baby. Me nu me ho.
Wo bat me so no panantoma sinebo. E de said the and to my sinebo. Na ojina ne flat so na auto mani ni nu wa another flat agosi ukwa do se ya to nkroma bra mi o na bia wasi na no na abrofo ati ho tuja won abrofo ni nyina bia ma de Ghana fo na bi fo nko
me se me ko South Africa bia me te wo ye bibi no ya de omo mama ho Edinburgh omo mama ho da oboa
ye wo how
ye nwene ye ho ye wo ye nua ho adaje chen ya brabo meanwhile what problem is saying abrofo e kotu wo mi they live simple life yenso nwi ye beka wo mpaboa ye beka watade ye beka buroni akoto no ne jinse ba akopɛ en wode ne nam ha emfa wo ni emfa ne ho
samo eya na ha wo papa etete te wo kasem to say
ma wo say I was too emotional enti pa mo beto enti mo hwe mo nsuo mo kakra
da bi o koye sakra ese o kire wo yes o kire wo na baba kire hadi say woni su kra kan hadi ya nyesa wa ha o hadi wo de jom la na me ni jom life mo be de no ma bobra di na ese me jom life mo ma to abrofo no wa enti sa abrofo se no mbo mo be da enti nkomatumi ayo mukuro yema wo aba hede hwede atoto ye dia pansam
ya toto ye dia pansam bronu bia benya nsore be 20 enso fear some bronu so mental laziness now woka awarefo asem me yenko awade
ye ntwe ye homra papa ye ntwe ye homra sesi ana
ye nya awarefo be kasa
and etiefo Asetenamu dwumadie ya Asetenamu ye Asetenamu ye Asetenamu wa wutie mu Asetenamu ya metia ma Asetenamu ya Asetenamu dwumadie na wutie na no pe ye ne sofu pani Apostle Francis Amoako ata Amoako ata Ambeka Amwakwata and Parliament Chapel Kasamafu ankasa ena anopei ye ni di nko ye twe ho kitwe bi ne aba ye ba be hwa wadefo enso so Asetenamu sane ye Asetenamu ekọ no ye be hwe se 2019 ye na ye dedi kan sane ye ekọ no ye di Asetenamu wetwi ni ewura to awura mu ananse wadwen mi se ye be sakra na papa kan o se re na ya repent.
Oh yes, more
from your bia anko ye
so that you get the solution.
Na be nya solution no amaso dua be fie na 2019 when ya je wo wadie mu etiefo ye ba sisi amunua ba mama akua me papa ye ba
Cielo Optical Services aso yenie ye wa benfo a wo hwe wani bo ho ban ma yen head office e wo number 43 Ring Road Central Accra a e ben Nima Police Station Freyen was 054551500 na yen fa
Asempa FM
wani ma wo kama na ye ma wo duro ni ahwehwani wa na nso ni bo dafam Del Cielo the Vision Care Expert
Se no mienu bo na oman yi mu atadi adentia efise obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM tumedie kese a yato ne din
ekosi sen on Asempa FM 94.7.
ne amanyɔfoɔ ɛbɛka
na kufa do akonya no dware no afata no ɛfɛ keke na me hu ye the same position same way ya
Omo nimbe dia ye gilo ndi ya di pa ogana.
ye di o ma yanka na mo de STS de de buy what's a free education I do about in ba o din ba mo ne we so na eba etonyum ehun lalubai baby kafo mo ma mi ete
ne yɛtemamufoɔ ɛbɛka
Misika nyina 30 cities. Me man 9. Esi amere no ma hwenkola no. Aban no to ano auto petrol.
ne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ahwehwɛ mu de ato dwa ne nyinaa kɔkɔsii sɛe medin de ɔsɛe bonsu ɛka me ho ne mapamfo na yɛmmom fa ɛkɔsii sɛe mmerɛw ɛwɔ Asempa 94.7 FM so adwoada ɛkɔsi efiada no mmienu ɛkɔpem no nsia ɛne fa ɛkɔsii sɛe ɛwɔ Asempa 94.7 FM so
which you would say when you sports pa. Okay, which is a ban history pan is supposed to move in total unimpa. Ah well, and share the sports screens from Combrewo live was Asempa FM near Adom TV so enti krado for asonto form. Amene no so pay bem watching. Enya sam get wo HDP. A sports screens was Asempa FM near Adom TV so coming soon. Very soon. Very soon. Coming soon. Never the carry last. Never. Aha. Amafo. Boko sa. Yedi ekoku. Insuma grand finale no. Abetri Kosiada 6th January 2019. Our national theatre. Beshan Kwalaye. Omodia Kwani Bewe yo.
Asempa FM.
Why never toss me? Why never toss me and son? Why is it never shake you? I don't to be ever Besham. Beshan, why you Adina. Evangelist I can any Boboli Bobo. And a Yankasa, Yanana say, Uncle J. High life no, a best sumo. I can play in the White Chapel Band. When you buy a tile, which I said, and you question that 6th January 2019, 4 o'clock sharp. Now what's nothing? 5 o'clock sharp. Me live on Adom TV. Miss Rawa, bra. Never tie with favorite contestant nature. No only Kunim, Marie Flo, Obano, now Tomano, NSRM. Now the account, put your short code 1633 on all networks. Minia admission I have free. Untia capre. No betia nyumpa na wajiweni. Ensuruma yes right. Which you would say when you sports pa. Okay. Which is a ban history pan is supposed to move in total unimpa. Ah well, and share the sports screens from Combrewo live was Asempa FM near Adom TV so enti krado for asonto form. Amene no so pay bem watching. Enya sam get wo HDP. A sports screens was Asempa FM near Adom TV so coming soon. Very soon. Very soon. Coming soon. Sɛ no mienu bɔ a na ɔman yi mu atɛɛdin adentia efisɛ obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM dwumadie kɛse a yato ne din ekosi
sɛn on Asempa FM 94.7.
ne amanyɔfoɔ ɛbɛka
na kufa do akonya no dware no afata no ɛfɛ keke na me hu ye the same position same way ya
Omo nimbe dia ye gilo ndi ya di pa ogana.
ye di o ma yanka na mo de STS de de buy what's a free education I do about in ba o din ba mo ne we so na eba etonyum ehun lalubai baby kafo mo ma mi ete
ne yɛtemamufoɔ ɛbɛka
Misika nyina 30 cities. Me man 9. Esi amere no ma hwenkola no. Aban no to ano auto petrol.
ne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ahwehwɛ mu de ato dwa ne nyinaa kɔkɔsii sɛe medin de ɔsɛe bonsu ɛka me ho ne mapamfo na yɛmmom fa ɛkɔsii sɛe mmerɛw ɛwɔ Asempa 94.7 FM so adwoada ɛkɔsi efiada no mmienu ɛkɔpem no nsia ɛne fa ɛkɔsii sɛe ɛwɔ Asempa 94.7 FM so
Asempa FM.
Mami Equia. I was say, gengema.
Etiefo, me say ene yenkomo no, che say ewura madwem ankasa, ewura madwem papa. Na yehia panifo te say apostle na afi yetimi e de adwem bi abbo anante 2019 we say adwen ya adwen mu da ho fitaa adwen a enye bone adwen ye kekakeka adwen adwen ma wasomdue adwen de wontim no be jama awurade
Una abo.
Debbie,
You have no answer. You are not responsible.
ye kwa warefo no so
se obi tie me sesia obere ma bi tie me a bring the wife out of your woman.
Good.
That is a big problem here. So baby tie me a bring the husband out of your man. Asum ye bebe fio. Because Bible say onyame ka tie nipa say enye se onipa nko abetena. Enna onyame ema onipa da ese wutie me a. Enna Bible say oyi ne mfem pade baako. Enna wode koye oba. So God brought a woman to the man, not a wife. And from a womanhood to the wildhood, no, a process. And from the wildhood to the motherhood is also a process.
Process.
I have no problem. No one.
Mame kind yenuya bema bako Elvis. I'll say Adom. I'll say Prophet. You always inspire me. Now, Osho from Atlanta, Georgia.
Wow.
And Nana Sapompoku. I say I know you were referring to Ghanaians at a day. As I'm not a kind of obedient to my cinema. What's him? I go see it. Don't come at me. I saw no doing him to be as I hey, I say I know where you were referring to Ghanaians. Ghanaian residents at Broadwater Farms in Tottenham and in London. I know. But I'm more why they ever hear me. I'm not here now. Rita. I'm not to say where the Ejuma Papa now no Papa Osinya me on shroud. And Osinya me shroud. Young Cosso. A be by Virginia can. When
God brought a woman to the man, it is every man's responsibility. Anytime you respond with your ability, it becomes responsibility.
Wow, you respond with your ability,
and then become your responsibility. You have, you were able to. You take the woman and bring the wife out of the woman.
Wow.
Because inside every woman was a
wife.
And inside every man there is a husband.
Wow.
Oh yeah. 80. Now watch this. Onyame adi be oba ne bre be ma. Onyame expect say Adam ebe yi wife afri oba no. Wanye. And Adam ene ifute to say woman. Enti obon sometimes say no say oh. Akoya feli. So when to me and your wife and idea, I'll pass through that area. And now when some fast I took row and no buy. So the devil talked to the woman. Now when you remember Genesis chapter 3 verse 9 and I say Adam, where are you not so meti on can be done and I'm Makote dear me can say men no what could now or can say it is the woman you gave it to me. Obana I didn't blame no.
And you be hey,
and then I said, hey, Baba, I didn't know, yes, sir. The woman said, and Yamina among your walk. So be him says, yeah, every woman can be deceived, but wife can be trusted.
Wow. Every woman can be deceived, but wife can be trusted.
Until I maybe I made you with you. Man to me.
Oh
yes.
A woman be a can go suffer.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God is good. God
now,
is good.
The deep one could say, Pendudua, if every man as a woman with Adam, a man, or man would die. Oh yeah.
No, you woman.
No, you woman.
Adam, so your man.
Woman would that because I was supposed to be husband and wife. 80 Tema and I'm so oh Adam, what fairy? I said, Obam didn't be on. What to me, 9 years.
There be
into my
there be.
I'm Obani Adadan. no hwe no nti ho na Adam ani ba no so nti onyame pam no bia no say ai say come me
action
me ye oba ni firi oyire ni firi oba no metum na wo nti Genesis chapter 4 verse 1 now Adam have sexual intercourse with his wife and he conceived.
God.
For so many years, as long as one to me and you didn't feel no, one to me and you never
die.
What the banker? Or you don't know who say, William, who I'm don't put them, but Bomin and Nick at the end of me. I pointed up and said, the cocoa, and you put anybody at the end of me.
What's the word they call? Hey.
Oh yeah.
Revelation.
Very deep. Etientia, be maybe no or baby tea or more breno. Bring the wife out of your woman. Or also bring the husband out of the your man. Every man and I'm quite who about Behano or boy what to a ban who of us or Behano. But if he's a husband, now why you that said ya or comporton or running him straight. Me feel na say me feel me yire nchen.
So for husbands ni be so mo show.
Na adwuma no aka ne kakra. Aka ne yire kakra. Aka ne yire kakra. And sex was created to protect focus. Abba
sex.
Yeah. And otra onyam sam anya so nipa nko atena akwaso do ne na hwe mani nje ho. Onye focus.
So nye bibia be na ni aba no ho aye focus.
Why focus?
Enti omo nya bi nye no. Sesi aye ka se omo nta nya sex nye no. Omo nye focus papa.
Omo nye focus. O se oba tena se cha no ho ade na o mieja. The dress nkura asesa.
Hey, bekulo.
Now, ofa oba.
Yanie me so clue.
Ofa oba wo 50 years a oni be man nete. And oba wo 50 years from 30 to 50. Ono nko anete ya. Wo take mu moja ahwe. A difference wo. Amana me ka kire wo.
Hey. Asemilibo.
Yeah. Now, ye yamfa Adam to the next person onyame sa to ne bo ase frɛ no eye Abraham empendodo a Abraham efrɛ ede ne yire nam sɛ oye me nua ba na 10 years abetwam oye me nua ba na 20 years abetwam wo mo ko Egypt na Hagar ekofa nice girl to say otuwi as a maid no omte Bible say Genesis chapter 16 na Abraham tena ay Canaan asase mfie du no na Hagar ay ne yire Sarah efa Hagar na wase ware no da Sarah edi Hagar e ma Abraham say wo yiri mi anadwo na onye
ye
because obi ni nua ba anwo
da bi enti papa me biso asemo se ne wo kan sisi yi obi ni nua ba anwo en na chese asem bia wo de wa no beka no ananso se susue bia besusu na timi nya sunsu
Bible say let the redeem of the Lord say so one trust you until whatever you say so shall be no denam me nua ba this a da obeya wo yire eno ntina Genesis chapter 16 Genesis chapter 17 am be share nebo Genesis chapter 18 ena nyame say chise me kotwe akoya adwene eba maami so nti Genesis chapter 18 ena nyame eba Abraham chen nti se na ko no aduane a o mu didi no ena nyame to ne bo ase bi sa Abraham say Abraham na wo yire Sarah ewe so ni nipa ona ne te no wo yire wa adwene amaso so wo yire a wontum ne ho
hey wo yire Sarah wo
mo
na ye nua ba sa
na ye nua ba
no bi de ne yire tete no de ne kunu tete
o pese nshiraba enu ntina Bible say obi nya yire ya no nya de pa aba
onya de pa
anka so obi nya woman ya
there be or say wife
obi can take any woman around 24th na 25th ya the women and ya do nam from hotel to hotel from beach what to go for obi wife
and the women for mu yi o and hey sister na kan women for no Oh, Papa, that's it.
Oh, the imagine. Oh, yeah. Now, Obi Pia Bontina, Obi who said, Obi inside at that woman be a coma, Obi and who be suspected because she's a woman.
Aye, but Obi wife for the
so Shakawapa, Obi Abajo.
But Papa, I say, be no to me Shakawa, Sankawa, who ya sabe, what Shakawa, no banos so, Anya, you know, no so she do Kunkawa, no mummy no more cheek ye so local.
That's the biggest mistake. Omi no, Omi no Moyade. Now, a woman says, Omoyano, or man yentia. I'm the patching. Oh, yeah, me say every woman can be deceived. And to say, what if you fail to bring the wife out of your woman, another man can deceive him. Hey, sorry.
Can deceive her, Pa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And you're not a married woman now. Oh, boy, you're worried about Pa. But
I don't blame the woman, I blame the husband.
On to me, Emmanuel says, what would you make?
I'm a good dada. A Nukuna.
Nikuna, a problem.
Yeah, Bible says, or cry what did you mean? Utieti, I watch him so. Now, or cry come dinner, I don't know, be any day.
Oh, what a word. Let's just say, Bia,
oh, yeah.
Stands on one wall high.
Mamma,
you didn't near
yeah, Nanian coffee, Nanian gifia. Sana identity. Yeah. Until do baby, Yana, a software problem. No, your bomb pile lay hands a man for ma, no, my mania jade agufi.
No problem, no
problem, no.
So will be dear.
Sana identity. Sana identity. Sana identity. Me say, but ma, omoware doctors, a software gynecologists, or more problem, papa, on consultation. Chai!
A software, you don't know, a doctor say, you know.
Yeah, titular gynecologists, no more from Mahon. Or more, you know more, but papa.
I didn't.
Just say, sir,
well, different types.
Yes.
And shapes.
And shapes. And teacher said, a dear if you want to buy until the end of the and to a man, it's difficult to bring the wife out of the woman. Now, woman can stay alone for 3 years, 6 years, 10 years, 20 years alone. No, so no policies and cabe to me and come on worry. Well, now you woman or your man, you can stay. But wife, now what you know, now what you mean, sir, Beman or Nukunu, and ya no problem. Oh, yeah. Papa, Bema be fast. Me say, Bema be fanako. Na okobieja, we you know, can just say, why mama feeling like a woman?
Asempa FM.
A man can even say, get what?
I'm not feeling like a woman.
Oh, yeah. You have made me feel like a woman.
A man moves you at Tiefo 2019. The men yaja home.
Gabi.
For a quine passo, I do know high. And very simple. We can so be as simple as the Sabi, Sabi or Ekrasini and any me. Can't change a hina what they call.
What are they?
A hina what they call baby. We are safe for the end day. I don't have a promo pet. We will be a simple person. Oh, because some be no wet here. No word you want boss can wait here. Would you yarn the first of the way? Oh, the first way.
Yabos one day. Oh, you cheap.
But Bible said, Bro, who say Abba. Now, no, Yakupon Pejam.
This one, the Bible don't want to kind. Niddy Panty has on them now, or what's up? What's your son, them, Funukurano? Just say, wait here, no more what's up. I was so them when I would have done Uncle. Every crown or send a pay. I'm more cow or some. I'm more called as an answer for team. Or so what? I said you're done some quiet, no medical concern. Obi beside, have you seen her show? Oh, yes. Have you seen how he was dancing? Did you see how he was dancing? Hey. Have you seen her wig? Way. I was sorry dead. This generation, you will problem, big problem. Big now. Thank God said ne being on the first. I feel within your man shirawa. No because you can hear the actual being the first day, so that you can go back for the solution and you can fulfill your resolution. And yes, idea you can bring anybody. Tie me there be oba bi a waware e wo se wutumi sai ma wukunu. Say ya chance oh yeah.
Fama
wukunu.
Dan ho. You're sexy. Yeah, so that you can protect his focus. Dia na be ma pe. No person who abonte no wo ye ba. Ubetumi ayi bi. Eno na ya na gina your mentality so e ma ne bi ni mu die enkokan ana won ko sukunti.
Mama ko ye obeka se masai.
Mema no so ka ho ne mema ne ka ho because okodanda no ho e ko rodo na ne kunu be ka so wasai.
Na we so ko sua wai.
Ai. We ko sua wai.
Na we so ko ho na kire wo.
On Asetenamu mo enjoy.
Okotu obi pa asafikasi ma bawa. Enne kura yi sei. Chese okoye so okotobo nya atade ade bia wakoto wo kurum a wa be hye ne na odi ne nam fie o. Wukunu ahwe wa na obofu. Mema ade etan ye nhwe. Ade a akono, ade ye sense na mema hwe.
Etwemo mani
mema ye nyinya de hwe ade bema bia de nani na hwe ade eti o wadi ni a wukunu ehu oba fofora na hwe ne ba bi ni wo problem wo dira se nye
just say me won question kra me bisa bio
la say ay woman bi ba ensofu maso pani ba ko na nsen eda agere bi obetena fio geri so no hye nika na ma to Adam you know otempem ma wo hwe na mpese me faase nwa na mbe kan kirew na wa fanyansa na mse nyansa kwan bi a me koka o waja ahia wa hwe asam so hwe ase mebusa so hwe ase a mebusa
wo so hye nika yi bi
aba
na mse hye bi kire wo kunu
nika no ye kra se da bi yento okurum asia nam so ba ya wahu se ukunu ya brante anyame yashira no a woka wo ho no na wa start shenika to attract him enti se woni nyansa no so wukokurum se no woni nyansa ka bo sa papa yi eda openika na so obeba na so wa shebi wa shansatia na so no nambo nice sister with all the shape it's a problem this and
what have to say I want to be shebi.
Yeah, what are they? Me dey name so op. Ni Canadians. Nam se never hu so tempo mum hwe. Nti we
we na ne ko tempo ma ne show dem.
Show dem ho. And I'm say gari, I hu say won so akoto bi anko ja ase.
Wo ja ase.
Because hu say
e bi kura shape we fe che.
Oh. Girl fia atinya hye ni ka ma okunu tempo ma mu hwe. Wa wo shape. Wa say kaba. Nam say wa. I'm besides we go to Togo and Burkina Faso. No heaven. Nam so ko yitugu na ko be di foforo to.
E mi yamo. E te fo. Aba mo akwata we ku.
E ma me yo trofo a me office ya. Wo be fa we hu a be kan te ma be fere wukunu.
Ai.
Aba ya se me hye no ko me hye nkom bia. Ko na ko tobi na hye.
Isaac say Isaac obe osime kan cho say we too much and the man okura no and Ernest Ajeman so bedu or say ono so share in life e wo Italy no say Apostle is great one. More fire. They say omo nyina omo check you papa and yenua Felicia on you say that's all papa wakanina but you bet we streaming live also bet we do Facebook comment aba na ya je akenkan ma Asempa 94.7 ko ho na e fa messages ni na egu ho na ye je enkenkan ma papa mame entwa me homra ketu abi mra sisi ana efe no yentimi so emma etiefo emra mu bi na efutuo no nkoso ankoma wo mu se ne be ya afefufuru a yesimu yenya agya ye ho na nampo wo ye na bi ba wakwan mu a wo mbo nyame sobo na badwene se nyame oye na de bia wo bre mu onye mistake, he knows what he does. One door closes, another opens. What you say na de show hu nkran na wonya sa agidie no so awurade wo show no yesa ade no so de ma pepepe. So what you say I don't know anope de selo for so na me bo won da wuri wo se me mamu afrisha pa o the selo for o mamu afrisha pa tie fo nyina na wasma wo kan tie won de oguso a wo church ade na bro nya ne ma e kura no wo sha ase eno nti no afefoforo ya wura mu de won mo to aso wo se 20 years ho chef na wo guso a wo hye no wonya Wodi ane se obefre Auntie Hilda 0545 515000 0545 515000 and na face so no wo wi a obetimi so akọ eye wonom enkuro ni ntwaso nyina da Ghana ha wonom betimi wuchusu wo product na okanso bia we na mepa wo eye delivery can say department wonom de eye wo frame na wo lens no ba bia wonom de bebre wo se wo bie eye prestige center wo prestige lounge wo de cielo ho wonom wo UBA no na FA Airtel Tigo amuntam ho a na behunu wonom nti bomodin ada na ene wonom nyankita hodie sane beya obetimi enya ahwehwe ni wa fefefe wo lens papa contact lenses papa cosmetic ones no na prescription ones nyina ebi wo ho eno nti ne Auntie Hilda entwetwe enkomo number mede etudwa no eso wo kuma se wa plawo takrade wo esiama wo sanso so wo kasoa na kneshi ti bomodin ada na ne Del Cielo for entwetwe enkomo Del Cielo or say the vision care experts. Grab water so yeguso ada ye bohu de rosan se eje mo friend bebrebe efi se won yefu ahye ana wo yi from abasa na wo fefefefe abofra bi wo ho de aduane bi obedi no fo kura no be no be fese ya na da bia na fi abbo akatoa te se de ye fro ye no na wo se me nkire se enye kwa sanse mo friend bi wo ya na wo yefu mu wo enframa hawo eni to nya grab water bi na wo de tufia bribia no eje mo fra no efi sa wo hawo mu mo fra nya afe bosome ba ko de ko emfiemienu obetimi anomadure bi Parmat pharmacy for and akofa ediaba ye Ghana hanom won wo kra ediba ye na hwehwe wan kira kwan wo SIC building no ma enkan no na eye Bonsu Brothers edan no a ewo okanhye no eho na behu wo mo opebia to pa de ankra ha eye Kings Walk Herbal wo kanhye kuma senso Danny Herbal and FA Koforidua eye Gapson Pharmacy or se frɛ Parmat pharmacy for a wo ye kofa ba ye foi e wo 0307 037 228 and now 0208 163949 0208 163949. Grab water was say mommy's choice to smooth her baby's tummy. Toby Nama Bofrano into me in ya asumdue e won ye fun afa. Obapa products and so miguswada mi nya kanda esanse won no wudi wonuane na ema wapomde ne eyedidipa eno ntina no pen baby awo bia se aduane kakra bi na ye na ofie bia combi stew bia obapa combi for ho say mackerel stew so African queen mackerel wo ho salads na wo ya obapa sardine wo ho obapa tuna wo ho froye ne nkwan bi so na wo ya obapa tomato paste wo ho ano so de betimi afremu na obapa nuane ne de bia meka say eye nuane a yemu no ye yinsi na twetwe nti ese wankasa bo moden baby Tom provisions bia kope bito anti sabeko Accra Central eho obehu no wono ewo Ghana Fast Service hwa woni Ghana Fast Service for na ye hwani mu enu nti no kɔ hwa no wakotubi odi okɔ abo Asempa din wo se o Asempa ya Asetenamu dwumadie no so na wotie kasiye ye nti waba ebe ma further discount kra frɛ Obapa Company Limited was 0302 668357 0302 668357 Obapa tomato paste African queen mackerel Obapa sardine osewara obecheke ane na magics so aba and on them drum magics washing powder magic ankasa say ade ne se ne aye fia fan kanka ya papa no afita fo a wo ye oil hu ade wo di we can say workshop no egu ensuo mu overall no di gu ensuo mu na de magics washing powder e bi gu so pe we hu na yi fini nyina ene oil ni nyina de aba ensuo no eni no ahwe egu no asan bu ensuo foforo no asan de egu mu ahye mu be 10 minutes bi na wusi a eni ni ye sei nwan enu ntino bomoden se okodwa maso a opede odi besiesie fie atwi wo sink mu atwi wo nchanse mu ama wadwaye ate nwan a eye magic washing powder pebi na to na ensiesie na sanso ehwam esanse wo anka ehwa hwenhwenhwem bia edi akire na o se eye 150 grams no eye 1 Ghana cedi bomoden na tobi ente sa frame magic sipoi e wo 0243 033 033 0243 033 033. Magics or say keep shining like a star. Ane any idea no yedi besie na papa memo akwanya na waka asemfo amienu bi na yemie phone lines nintum ananso se yemie ntum ansana wakasa na papa enya nen yemie ntum yo papa se yemie phone lines nintum eno ntino yebie phone lines no e de atom a enesa obetimi afrɛ me 0302 216545 ana 0302 216546 sorry and I don't want any about no man sir yenu abema a bank portal or say we want to work we want to work with this pastor sawa ho my WhatsApp number ya broach person in the adwuma wa ho matipatro tro number no abroach for number bi abado frɛ na Chona ya fama papa na onye wondi nkomo NFA John Kuga or say an excellent and refreshing teaching by the pastor or you too much 2019 in the episode o ma share on a very good note and untino ya be phone lines no ya be phone lines no wait to me I'm a one maba. Hello, Afrishapa.
Inele uye gengema. Gengema. Yes.
Ofane Afrishapa.
Ofane Afriko betu yen.
Pacho me dance yenko papa wo ha.
Me dance mami kuya. When you can mention on say o de bia, you know, you put smile on people. What you say. And people that you brought on your program no. You know, idea much you know. Me come to me. I learn every time when I listen to your program. May God bless you and help you to do more because you have a lot to do. Olake program no fear ne obese ko no ba si no yi. Mami ku when you 70 years ko be program we. Onu sisi.
Ya be ko yanim.
Enti
ya be ko yanim ya ntina so ankosi. Yeah, famu de na ebetimi aye but ebre no so ba na ese e ko ba bifo ya be ko
me so me ka se wota me sun ya obefri so
mate me da se na me shira
ye ko so no o say papa no kan bibi o see when you fire more no we are consistent ananya sa you focus mami kia hello
me ti o pa awule awule line na card say Afrishapa.
I've been coming.
If I told me you have been my bed in Africa.
Again, when we can settle off and cover.
You're a giant quay.
There's a movie called Asetenamu.
Aye, yes, Asetenamu.
Asetenamu.
Aye.
Okay. Any of you ever hear say?
Ever hear say benta.
Any power how?
Yeah, well, how one casa.
Any power power ya Asetenamu one pa. Was it been a market kaki? Oh. Na asemu mamekuya ya wadi ni enhun sensem de dosun ewi ase de minimse enye ye nwa ne hotoye enye denya ahokyere so bebu obi so enti na ya na ye kenkan babulu mu asem ne yafutuo ne nkyerechire edi manipa no se de be ya ukọ situation mu a obehu kwa be faso a obemanage wo ni wayi wo afiri mu na onyame afaso ahira.
Amen.
Entio ye kan se ya Asetenamu abrabo ya Asetenamu de atuwi menim se nsem papa na beba.
Amen.
Ye de papa na wo futu a na anope wo be hwie gu odi aman ya men kan ho no mani nyansa bibiri na onko so mfa nkyerechire. Bye bye.
Bayo ejanimo Nyankopon onhyira won so betimi afrɛ me na Afrishapa o. Hello. Afrishapa.
Asempa
FM. Morning, yo, papa.
Hello.
If I told me you have my frost saying.
Your friend Prince, make us free and night.
If I told you, Penny Prince, uncle, so for her. Let me say, ne line on that is Susu. Afrishapa o.
I feel going back to you, Gagasho.
Hey, wo ye get my what?
Vacho way a father, if you have to win.
Me pacho yo, papa yanko.
Yo, me mamma, no quarry. Erika, me my wife, shapa.
Amen.
Emma, me papa, papa. Into the trade on a reverend river. And I would say, some crofone me in Sanady. They go on to my brabum papa. Then to the talking. Me and I, no quite through no quite no irritate. None nitty. One come in the Jew papa. Now nitty. Na in Tiase and a crew enquire as I said at your house papa. It was young papa. Tinuquaniam papa can, papa yamin can. On one of by my na fear ye would mean Yankupon and crying. Don't cry and one wedding and a quarry and the young pepper at the end. Don't come my yet as a team to man. I said that in Cabia radio is ya never signed the Aman Gangasha. Amen. One more by mammy. When I mean you, my amen. Yet I say. Yamin Shrown so. Africa oh, the line I can't say. If I shall also bet me a friend. Africa. But your young community are mine. You're Fulani.
For Canada and Oprapa. But I say, maybe one of them where they are some dinner or can't say. Sorry, that will be Kenya Media, OPA, or who say a year for no. I didn't know if I'm that's one of me, Master, a piano soft like Cano. Oh, we are today. You can't say, Obian Shea, and I asked the IS for no sooner. That be a meka, Yanyawa, Yawade, a teacher pants and cry. They are put on Kumun, they are making my family.
Yeah, that's a papa, Yami, own shroud. Africa Pamido.
I forgot my mammy.
Yo, Minia Bemma. What's it saying? Yo, Kwame Yanko.
Mammy, you are so organ. I'm not sure your mind. I mean, to any planet, young and one of woman, you say now, on kind of 2019 year. The home kind of agent said that the million tear ever panel, a foot to different to animal or my suit. She hasn't read so. Me pacho yo munina jo so. Yenu abema adomako yenu abema adomako Peter obi wa homa no so okay yankwo so nwie Africa pa medo
afin kometo e mami akua
papa
nana ya okasa free tabora mami akua
yo nana yankwe
mami akua mami mo sofo amakwa tabaso utie na asore kra o se parliament chapel meba
anokware
utie na asore nkura din a utie se papa no di ni huni
anokware
obuni pa bia nya me no kasa me blaba ko e wona se ye fe no sofo atemuda o wona se na se ne papa kasa no saa na me bla me kasa utie so watikini yie papa nya me nshira papa futu a ode aman mami akua djuma die da obetu utum once pe ne hire you because enkwan shani afutu a ode man no mame
oh
nya me nshira no ma kwantenten o ma kwantenten na bibia no ma wa hoden sonko
eme
e ba be teten nya me nshira ne sofo eya all night ahimachin so still sani o wo ye ho do ewo ne ma pa man
chese ye me nwanwa kura
papa no nya me nshira ne pa na o ti ko na asole wo a wunim no uru na asole ojuna gate na no a na ko bi sanse sofo no ya obeka jo se ko sofo wo isa ba no na jira eho it is papa odonipa nyankopon nshira ne papa
amen nya me nshira wo so oh papa be kana sam ya watwa no so Africa pa o
afi go be yo abiakuya
papa ni James
awe
me man ho ye
obi a ho ye
e da Yesu ase yenkwe
afi paso so
da se afi se ni nyina tenkwam
wo din se na ntwe ba wole no
aya dom
den ya batawe do siari asa to ngasi ya wole
amen
pajo isi ma da so ko all night nti isi ma da so so be na ho no
oh ya papa so fo akwanta parliament chapel
papa de oni wi ase sanin nyam ya se bu pa
no ni nyina wo bi nyansa fie nyansa de nyam nyansa nyina bi wo
papa le so kan nyina pe nyam nsia ne bebre
amen
nyam ntunu kwandam na nipa o kama ye se fa na betima fa bia fi ni njan so
bebre mfa ho sakra efiri ye bɔne nketenkete ye ho
amen yenua be ma James ano no yenua ideas do the number ba some person ne papa ye adwuma no o se madam akua Captain Steve and the Diaspora Development Network one more ehwe yen live Amsterdam you know me say ye be connect wo mu na ya hwe de adwuma kono si a etefa and I'll call you guys me fremo na ye di nkomo yenua adomako Peter so me akua please on your papa number pa no say he's touched what touching na kuma pa wo church na wo de aba ho na woni sofo no a omo hwehwe bi e wo Ghana ha me kan bro these are the osofo we need in our churches our yen sorry mo o say no bend no curve Peter the way fi Japan no the way say e ba ye ani ono so ne de no and John Makan John the Jonathan Avige or say Apostle, do you know that's good for a woman to wear trousers? Or say trousers na Emmanuel Compson so say I'm listening to you live from Italy. God bless you all. Omo nyina ede won encourage some na ba yenua be ma ba ko say oba she trousers na
bye
odifi I say mami have you so you find the buy wearing trousers or the one for baby odifi anka Jonathan we didn't Jonathan
abroform the Bible buy no abroform me na she trousers so no the Bible no buy no kware enti wo nim say wo she na ya di bia yire ye ni ase wo nim say wo she trousers no the only Pentecost by Mekion ne yire ba no she trousers obey no obey yi trousers no say ye culture no ye frantoma but wo mo ban no she trousers no say that didn't know
anokware
yeah
you Afrisha pa
afinko beti ye mama
minua be ma be ni
unia be ma David ni
you David yankwai
nyame nshamo ni juma pa mo ye
amen
especially say and the first mudi nyama we na ma ye na me pacho papa all kasa about 7 things God promised you know me say we
God never promised
also 7 things God never promised
you know yes thank you me say o chaso o 3
because e book am twenty we ya obe hu no obi adi kan dia atwere no
so on kan nyina
I did it for a 90 on your own country.
I said the first day of the year and then
yes, thank you.
That's David. Amen. I mean, that was so. David, that's what you do. Appreciate. Amen. You mean you be my baby in Africa.
But dada teach you as a man.
Dada, young quay.
No, me that's
it. Amen.
Happy New Year. The other that's of what it. But best and or boss of a crack today. Oh, in Cacrao.
I must do. Yeah, but if was
2019. Yami bantu chire.
Amen.
Yami pa bo no say book na watro no otro no so yami be ma no wan won de.
Amen.
Ma ababontin na be yinshira ama Christopher na.
Amen. Amen.
Mfa kwanya yesu ntia me mame antiekua. Me mame no wo. Me mame de akua mansa.
Sa we de me ba ne oprekompe.
Mame.
Yo.
Na nansa no nya mfie de okon nsia.
Nyame yeshira no.
The Yamiasi,
amen.
Don't didn't one now, the man in army. Now, this year, my mammy commands on Tiadua. I also make you bad. Matia, Asempa FM now, give your team be a movie, be a
appreciate for more.
Amen.
Yo, Miss Medas, if I am very last call near the Akano, I'm a papa, nor they are born something in out of my Biana, and I first day of the year, never papa, or who you are born at 7 and your money in us. Therefore, the number so Papa cried, they are not time for the number to draw. Yea, Yen Yabema, a year bath for the way for Germany. And I'm about for or say, Mammy Equia and Apostle, more grace to you all. Or the way for Germany and what to buy. And international American live streaming in the program. It's nice, yeah. You're streaming live into Shebia. Now they also message and now comment. Now they are back. Papa, I'm in Rao. Na ebo won sam ni na to fa futuo mu e man yen se ne 2019 yen ko hwiri ni nyoma bia emfaso ni so e de wo haw ne atete ne adwendwen koda nda e de bebre yen ne akofa nyaro ahodo mu ma be wura ni padua no se ne be ya ye betimi asosidi in 2019
in the school of life medofo. If someone has a health problem, you need a medical doctor. If you have a health problem, you need a medical doctor. If someone has an automobile problem, you need a mechanic.
Exactly.
And you be an idea until you go.
There be
Mechanical job council. Like I said, by 40 so.
Emuna by 40 agro. Up the wire playing ground. If
you have a financial problem, you need a banker. But if you have a spiritual problem, that is where you need an anointed man of God. But in the school of life, you don't run from problem, you run to solution. When the biggest problem for
wow,
we always run from problem. Billionaires look for problem to solve, but Christians run from problem. And so I feel we don't run from problem because problem is part of life. So problem is part of life. Life is war. You have to battle for your health, battle for your finances, battle for your family, battle for your faith. Now, no part of Christ says you should fight for a good fight for faith. You can't run away from problem. Run to a solution. Run to solution. God is our solution. And Nuntina, Asempa very good. The solution to ignorance is not prayer, because ignorance is not a demon.
Hey.
But say the solution to ignorance is not a prayer, because ignorance is not a demon. The solution to ignorance is knowledge. Until you can't tell no fana fa bo bra what you lucky and the first day ya beka nyame adwene fi adwene e de a kire and no necessarily de bo bra.
Amen.
Na what me nya hoto, don't compete with anybody.
Don't compete with anybody la.
There are problems you are not responsible. You are not. Now kwa no yika. Now kwa na aware. Now kwa na wonwo ye. Now kwa na usofo members maye. Now went na wokoji aduro akohel. Stay still because the wise men are coming. Just stay in your cave. Because now the wise men, they went to the cave. They went to the manger. Stay there quietly because the wise men are coming.
Okay, manger no actually me gidie bia. You call you 9 lessons and carols on Adom TV. Me feel ho be fie na sa adwen Holy Spirit de to me tirimu. I say wonu Yesu na ye wo no to nwamuo mu no mpo no enwamuo mu sebe emponchi bin ne enwam bin
ya wono to ba nya wo wu ya
ai ya wono to ho
enya ho no wotena ye
da bi
enti so obi tie me a if you can change your face you can change your look. Nobody can change his face or her face. Aye. But you can change your look.
Looks, aye.
The way you look. You can never change your hometown, but you can change your living town.
Of course. Baby, I want to. When
you say no, what's the name? But who bet me
she went him. Ya make can say ya we yeso to nwabuo mu. That's what be nyi ye. E ba ye wiase nyina wura.
You have no excuse.
E dey na wo how ben and that was so urade want me nyam fa ma wo. Anti wo tete wo ha wo.
You have no excuse.
No excuse. So what you say? And the wise men are coming with a gift.
Mami akuya. Obi tiem sisi a ye wo mi am ni peti mi am ekika brofu tutu brofu gengengen. Me nko class 1 da in my whole life. In my whole lifetime.
And people should be proud of you. where so beat yourself a pay bro for you to try the TD and so send your walk and obi a won call school that's a big
mature 5 books me Facebook am mature you printed 3 million copies and am me nipa the tank writer of your destiny book no ayira kola say amanfo times
the tongue writer of your destiny.
What touch me the one no.
And the bema
and the chiro shebre.
Chiro shebre ampa. Hey, yes we.
Until you have no excuse. You have no excuse wonderful. What you want obi do ko school man ko school ni bi da in my lifetime anya obi amfa me anko. Me wo lawyers police for ma so mpanyim for ye park was in. One more for teacher, my mom tell me, I'm saying, I'm yadding. I know I'm saying, me person, do your example. So, baby, I'll be Kubiano, many people who say, and an out, and a mayo say. So that so be at started say, what? No, Timania, and that's so. Says here, next 2 months, the World Billionaires Conference, over Singapore, I am the only black. Your course, I am catchy. Me pen and quiet mammy teaching for 1.5 hours. Brofo sonkwa enso mi see class wa muda me nya so gina say me kan brofo sa 1.5 hours me wi ana
Holy Spirit no.
Oh my goodness
na tekwa hey
so ma me kwa me timi tichia ma brofo cha me $10,000 the next 1.5 hours the shemboto mi sa
Nyankopon ho ye nwanwa
and you have no excuse me dofo you have no excuse
when
akoku
dada wo yo nyame aye enti na wontonko na wonna dada wo yo kese o akese mo fata wo
dofo Fabi fama dance ye afati kire wo wire onyame be shira wo onyame be yo kese onyame be manasi wiye I promise and I prophesy over your life said this year God will visit you onyame be hwe Sarah onyame be ba be hwe onyame hwe Sarah no onyame be ba be hwe onyame hwe Hannah no onyame be ba be hwe onyame hwe Elizabeth o ba be hwe onyame ofa David every streso every nyan ho Sarah can you yes to your move so I did deal with yourself and may the God of my fathers may the God of my destinies change your situation may your story be changed may the rules in your family be changed if you and them a bomb pay me the mouth say bosu we be ko na wie ye no awurade ma hu ne basa Bible say Nyankopon bosu na in the beginning God created the heaven and the earth was without form and void and darkness was upon the face of the deep and the spirit of the Lord moved upon the face of the deed. It's your 1st January. Any darkness over your life, any darkness upon your relationship, any darkness upon your finances, may the Spirit of God move upon it, and may God speak on your behalf. So that wakuma beto yem edofo wakuma ebeto yem me se wakuma ebeto yem me se wakuma I feel the anointing onyame just stay in your cave because your wise men are coming enyansafo efie proye eja himfie to ho ekonyamuo mu a I prophesy baby I wote no wakuma nto yem onyame do aboafo ebeba behwehwe I said the wise men your helpers they are coming Esther you danka Esther you danka Esther you made at the end of the day obey queen mother Ruth you kunafo Ruth now no me done so at the end of the day obey the biggest than the richest man in the whole Bethlehem baby Jesus what are you talking about
what are you
stay
saying?
In peace
Thank you Jesus
Amen
who me boy radin pa say Eshira ya gina no pen baby awo bia onyame fa say eshira ni bi ento abrabo so ye nua be Stella do bia o say thank you pastor
thank you
and o say tell them for me and a happy new year watching you live from Holland ye nua Ivy nya kwa o say I'm blessed with your words. And Stella Dobio say amen and God bless you Papa.
Amen.
Papa you are wonderful.
Amen.
I've been doing so by.
Amen.
Yame. Onchira.
Amen.
Ati.
Amen.
That's it. And so see a free wo. Unya ho wo bread adwuma dɔɔso so wo ba no panum TV wie what na wo ka mu atwen ya med bonondu ɛsan ba ha ɛne atiefo abɛkyɛ nhyira sɛm a ɛte sɛ asan hyira yɛn de a ne meka ne sɛ nhyira na ɔde ama yɛn ne nyinaa ne yɛbɔ no mmɔho sɛ mmra no wabusua so mmra wasɔre so mmra wo bibia woyɛ mu na sɛnea ɔde wo kɔ nkan no ɔkɔ so ampagya wo ɛma ewiase nyinaa ehunu sɛ Ghana so sɛ yɛwɔ ɔsɔfoɔ bi a yɛtumi de yɛn nsa si yɛ bo ɛka sɛ yo ɔyɛ ɔnokwafo papa Shranka.
Amen. Eko captain wedding.
Ane. Eko captain wedding. Oh, kwano. Me the FN me twa na mako TV. Me TV asa.
Ye share wo refreshment.
Ye share refreshment na say. Why papa? Ya me shira wo.
Ya me shira wo ye adwuma. Ma me wo ye adwuma. Wo ye adwuma. Woni mu kwa wo je.
Enokware.
Woni mu kwa wo je wo. Obi gina pulpit nya bere bia na obo wo.
Enokware.
Or the same nipa here. But what you're doing here is taking people to heaven. Amen. Taking people from their desert to their garden.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Many people have been moved from their desert life into their garden life. But just listening to this thing.
Yamishraw.
Eradi
metna wonche. Oh eradi metna wonche. Namadonia wodo. Namayenia wobe. Eradi metna wonche. Eradi family ye the opposite de me ye. E show di kunkun nyam. For this day and this new year 2019 I mean say rade be hye no ho anu nyam e wo mabrabom ene matiefo nyina me producers here is apa kwesi ene me baba ade ne me wi afi gifty and gifty ye nyina ye wo ha ene ye de enhyira ena ye de mawrade ye de enhyira ma osofo amoakwanta na de ye kan se Awurade kwan bia ne pon bia da asisie ne mu atoto ya brabo mu no onnam ne da nkyerɛkyerɛ so ne ne da mpaibo so no miemie yapono ai mu atoto nyina emfaman ti bia wo bia wotie mi no kai hunu se epon bia de mu ato ewo wa brabo mu me nyankopon na wote ase no wo bebie ekwan bia mu ato epon bia mu ato am wakofa wo yiedie ewo 2019 mu ewo Yesu Kristo din mu munua ba ma mekua makramo nyame ya adom akina wode kyenya yebedi ahia ewo abrapodwumadi so bye bye
Asempa FM